Hi, I'm Tarek from Light Up My Life. This is our Wharfedale Typhon speaker. We have these in hire and also for sale. They are a popular speaker because they're so loud and they are the size of this speaker, and also the Bluetooth makes them a really easy addition for a party. So there's a few things with the speaker. Simple to turn the speaker on when it's power button. And there's a couple of options with each of the channels. Channel 1 is set for either a microphone or a line level. At the moment we've got it set for a microphone level, so I'll just show you what that's like. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, unless your microphone working. You can also plug a line level into the front, into the first input. Input 2 has an option for Bluetooth or a line level. To choose Bluetooth and to sync to your phone, it's just a matter of pressing that button, using your device, and you'll see the device here, Wharfedale Pro BT. Once we've connected to that device, the blue light will stop flashing. They'll be connected and we can play some music. And we'll just put the level up a bit. So that's your Bluetooth functionality. The other option is there's a few EQ settings you can use for either flat or monitor, a bass boost or a punch sound. The last two will give you an increased bass sound, probably better for dance music. If you're monitoring using this for a fold-back speaker, you could use flat or monitor. You can use the output here to daisy chain more speakers in just via XLR. That's the Wharfedale Typhon Bluetooth speaker.